Good afternoon, everyone. Normally I don't talk during my videos because I don't like to, but I'm gonna talk during this one because I've got a lot to say, and I'd rather speak it than type it out. I made a huge Super Smash Bros. Melee video guide once, a video series all about Falco's laser. I really enjoyed making it, and a couple of people have voiced appreciation for it, thank you, but one commenter dropped a reply that left a wound on my heart. The video series was full of immense walls of text. Personally, I don't see a problem with having huge walls of text in videos, because I like reading. But I should have known, other people prefer to hear their info. So now that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be talking. Anyway, on to the topic of the video. This. These deepfake memes of various folks singing Baka Mitai have been all up in the spotlight recently. This is the meme of the minute, and I'm going to help you learn to play it on the piano. My arrangement of it is pretty simple. Simple arrangement from a simple man. Nothing too complex. Anybody can pick it up and play it. Go play it and meme on your friends. Play it repeatedly for yourself and sing along to it for hours, like I did. Play it and impress your parents. Maybe they'll be shocked at this talent they didn't know you had. Maybe they'll be astounded at your hard work. Maybe they'll finally be proud of you for once. The right hand plays the vocal melody. The left hand plays the instrumental accompaniment, which I've smushed down into some simple harmonies. I went and transcribed this thing in case you learn better that way. The link for that is in the description. I never ever do this, ever. Almost all the music I've ever played I've interpolated by ear. That's just how I prefer to do things. I'm self-taught, not classically trained, I suck at reading music, and I don't like writing it down. But I had to do you all a favor this time and transcribe it, for all the people who are dying to make this meme music flow from their piano strings. I did it for you. In case you don't like reading music, I'll spend the rest of this video personally walking you through what stuff each hand plays and how to play it. It's like I'm your personal piano instructor. Let's get this thing done. We start with a short pickup carried out by the right hand vocal melody, and then we launch right into 8 bars of slow rock ballad type shit. Here's what the melody sounds and looks like, even slower, with a metronome going in the background. Now for the left hand. The rhythm here is easy for the most part. It's just chords of quarter notes all throughout, with a couple of exceptions. I'll go through these now, super slow. Oh look, we've hit our first new rhythm. It goes. Make sure to play that first chord sharply, staccato. Shoot your hand and wrist off of the keys like a diver springs off a diving board. After that, it's back to good old quarter notes. Here's what they sound like. The ending here is a classic 2-5-1 in the key of G major, an authentic cadence that closes out the musical phrase and signals the completion of the chorus. We've got our A minor 7, up to a D major triad in first inversion, then second inversion, to give us a feeling of motion, of going somewhere, held out over the rest of the bar, and then finally, we resolve into the G. We hear our tonic. We finally landed. If none of that made any sense to you, don't worry. because you don't need to know any of that to play this piece just fine. Honestly, I don't know why I said any of that. It's not very useful here. Whatever. Now I'm gonna combine the hands. I'll keep the metronome going in the back. And that's what it should all sound like when you're done. Don't worry if it feels kind of difficult. Just be patient with yourself. Practice extremely slowly. Practice one hand, then practice the other. Break the piece down into smaller chunks. Break it down so you're playing chunks that are even smaller than a measure if you need to. And if it's all too hard, or you can't get through anymore, leave and come back tomorrow. Sometimes that's all you need. Now, go forth and meme on your friends.